Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. Welcome back to Photo Lab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the muses out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all the social media supporters out there. You keep me going. All right, so I have a great treat for you guys today. I'm gonna milk this sunflower field shoot. This is from the 2021 Chukunonso Captures Sunflower Field photo shoot. Let me know in the description below if you want to be a part of this photo shoot for next year and the coming years. So I select models to go out to this sunflower field and we do a photo shoot. Shout out to Davina and Anya, who were the muses for 2021. I'll probably wind up posting this video in 2022. But so they did the sunflower field photo shoot in 2021 and it was great. So I came up with like a really interesting concept. You might want to do this for this photo shoot if you want to do this photo shoot and when we go out and do it, if you're interested. You might want to do something like this as well too. But it was this, I had the two of them, one of them was holding a paintbrush and the other one was running, and I wanted to make like an interesting looking scene where one was painting the other with the paintbrush. So that's what the theme of this photo shoot is, this YouTube video is going to be. This is going to be my first Lightroom YouTube tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to do selective color in Lightroom. Pretty simple. Lightroom makes it really easy. It's a little bit easier in Photoshop. If you want to do it in a way that is clean, you might have to create a few layers or create one more layer and then do some masking. But Lightroom makes it a lot easier. It's just a button you hit. You can edit a whole bunch of them at the same time, and you can just start selective coloring away. All right. So without further ado, let's hop onto the laptop. Let's do some Lightroom editing. Let's go. All right. Okay, follow me. All right. So welcome to my laptop screen. So this is kind of the curated set of pictures from the photo shoot. Like I said, this is the sunflower field photo shoot. We got Davina, we got Anya, and I'm just gonna go through them really quick. I had them just kind of do like a fun, like energetic running sequence. So I'm just gonna go through them really quick. So I gave each one of them, they took turns, this paintbrush here. And I just told them to run and act like they were like, one was chasing the other and, trying to paint the other because I knew that later on in photo shoot, I was gonna do this artistic effect, you know what I'm saying, where it looks like one of them is painting the other one with a brush. So I'm just gonna go through really quick, see they're running here. Okay, then I think I had Anya do act like she was painting a flower and have another running sequence. Look at that. Awesome. Amazing. They did such an amazing job. So fun. All right. Wow, look at that. It's like a movie. Look at all the life in those pictures. So yeah, so we did a few more of these. And so yeah, that's basically what we got going on here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what we did. So I'm just going to edit a few of these and just a quick orientation to like what Lightroom is all about. Down here, I believe this is called the film strip. It just has all the pictures that you have here. Over here, this lets you do your global edits to change like everything on a picture. And then here, which is what we're going to focus on right now, is just the brushes, the masking tool. There's a brush selection up here. What we're going to do is we're just going to start with one of these pictures, and I'm going to show you an example of how you do some selective coloring in Lightroom. So I'm going to pick a good one where it looks like it's touching with the paintbrush. Okay, let's choose this one. All right, so like I mentioned before, selective coloring is a really cool editing effect that you can have happen. And yeah, it just basically desaturates or just removes the color from a picture, so that select parts of it are color and the other parts are black and white, or certain parts of it are like a weird, like, you know, interesting looking color. So I'm just gonna hit the brush tool right there. And let me see, I'm going to hit Control plus plus, or Command plus plus on a Mac, right? So Control plus on the PC. I'm gonna hold down spacebar and just move this up so I can get a little bit closer. And the tool that I'm gonna be working with right now is the saturation tool. Where are we at? Okay. Oh yeah, saturation. So I'm gonna dial the saturation all the way down to make it black and white, right? And I'm gonna start brushing, but first, oh, I jumped ahead a little bit. So here's how you make, this is how you change the size of the brush, and here's how you change the feathering. I usually make a feather in the middle. This basically kind of like it kind of makes the pixels on the outside of the brush a little bit softer, so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna zoom a little bit more. Control plus, move this up. So I'm just gonna make it look like the place where the paintbrush is touching her is going to be in color, and the color is kind of spreading to the rest of her. So to kind of simulate that, I'm just gonna, yep, that's basically it. That's what I got going on here. So I'm just gonna start painting essentially, and it's gonna desaturate her. And this this like mask, this kind of like this red ghost that shows me like where I've painted before, it comes up. And if I could leave it if I'm careful, but I might accidentally, like, you know, as I'm brushing, like move it to a place where I don't want. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna mess up my whole picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come over here and then click on uncheck show pins and tools, so that I can just, you know, just freely brush here, you know what I'm saying, and desaturate her body. Desaturate, again, that's just a fancy word for removing color. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part. All right, we're back. Okay, we are back. And just one more thing, quick thing I wanted to show you. Let's say I did a lot of desaturation here that I didn't want to do. All you have to do is come up to this tool over here, this eraser tool, and just, you know, remove the desaturation, you know what I'm saying? In case you made a mistake or you just did something that you didn't want to do, essentially. And that's how you can kind of undo anything that you did in terms of desaturating. And yeah, it looks like a kind of like a fun little realistic color spill there. It looks like she's being painted, and she's being painted to life. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so and of course, if you were wondering, so these are the masks, kind of like in Photoshop. These are the masking tools. These are kind of like new features that Lightroom has added recently, so that way you can kind of like understand where your masks are and stuff like that. Just like it is in Photoshop, it automatically creates masks for you. Okay, so let me zoom out. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for this picture. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's a little bit around her face that I could desaturate. Maybe I can go back to this mask. When I was fast forwarding and I was brushing, I accidentally created two different masks, but that's fine. I think I just started brushing for a while and something accidentally clicked off, so I just hit the plus button and it made this second mask that's up here. but it's all doing the same thing. Okay, so let me zoom back out. Then I'm gonna find the next picture that I'm gonna do this to. Let's see. Let's choose. Let's see. Let's choose maybe one of Anya painting flowers. Let me go all the way to the end. So we got some more running. I think at the very end, they were like painting each other. Yeah. Okay, so let's do kind of like this one. Okay. So same thing again. Just hit the brush tool and scroll down to desaturate. Where are you? Okay, here we go. Desaturate. And let me zoom in a little bit. Zoom, Control plus plus, and then yeah, okay. And then what I'm gonna do is have the brush tool selected. I'm just gonna start desaturating everything except for this flower that she's painting right now. All right, so. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video, but all I'm really doing is just brushing away. Alright, we're back. Alright, we are back. I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but I guess like individually, like these types of pictures, these desaturation type pictures, if you're only doing one or two of them, it's faster to do it in, probably a little bit faster to do it in Photoshop, because in Photoshop you can kind of create a mask that desaturates the whole entire picture, right? It makes the entire thing black and white, and then all you have to do is go in and make the model or the subject in color. You know what I'm saying? Because so essentially, it's a faster job because you're painting less of an area versus what I did now, which is I'm painting more of an area. I got to like intricately like be detailed and painting a larger area. So it's a little bit faster in Photoshop if you're only doing one picture, but if you're doing a whole bunch of them, you know what I'm saying? It might be a little bit faster to actually do it in Lightroom, because Lightroom lets you open like a whole bunch of pictures at once and, you know, do those edits to like a whole bunch of pictures at once. In Photoshop, you got to keep opening and closing and saving and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it's a little bit easier in Lightroom. But either way, yeah, I could do the rest. But I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial. I mean, this basically covers it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically how it works. I mean, you guys kind of get the idea. All I do is, you know, I go in, use the brush tool, and it creates an automatic mask, and you just start desaturating. And so I'm gonna do the rest of these really quick, and you know, later on. And yeah, check me out on Instagram, and you will see the results of these, kind of like these what is stop motion, or kind of like this flip book type pictures. I might do a few carousels or something like that when I post it on Instagram. But yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Okay, I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think in the description below, or in the comment section below. Check out everything that I have in the description. I have the links to my social media. You can see a lot of pictures like this from the past sunflower field photo shoots. Like I said, let me know if you want to be a model, a muse, to go out to the sunflower field, and we can do another photo shoot. I do it every year in the summer, towards the end of the summer. So let me know. It kind of takes a little bit of interesting coordination to make it work right. You know what I'm saying? Because the sunflowers are like, you know, they only bloom and look really good for like 3 weeks out of the entire year, you know. So the logistics and planning it every year, every year is hectic. Every single year is hectic, but you know, we always make it happen. All right, but anyway, please like this video, share it with a friend, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Please continue to support me on all my social media platforms. It's in the bottom, it's in the description below. And yeah, just let me know what you think. Hit my DM, let me know what you think. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Give me all the feedback necessary. I want to continue to serve you, all the photographers out there, all the retouchers, anyone who's doing photography, anyone who's interested in starting a business in photography, anything like that. Let me know. I'll continue to be a service to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Take care.